In today's video, we are on our way to pick up the last part that we need for the Cobra to make it roadworthy, I'd say. Once we pick this up, we'll have all the parts that we need to fix her up and at least get her roadworthy, registered. And once we do that, we'll get it insured and get it on the road. As you know, we talked about before, the car definitely needs a bump steer kit. We have that already. We will be installing it very shortly. The other thing the car is missing is an exhaust system. It has the Coyote Swapped long tube BBK set into the catted mid pipe, but unfortunately the mid pipe, there's no catbacks after that. So what we're going to do is picking up a set of OEM Cobra exhaust, and we are going to mount that up and see how it does. I think the OEM exhaust is 2.5 inch and the X pipe is a 3 inch. So we'll probably be restricting flow a little bit. That'll be okay. It's not a permanent solution. We just need to get the car rigged up to get it street legal. I also thought about doing muffler dumps, but since I have the 03 rear bumper, I definitely want to run the tailpipes out the back because I think it just looks better on these Cobras. It's kind of part of the iconic look. So I'm gonna go pick these things up. We also have those Super 10s sitting in the garage, so we can swap those in if we want to. Let's go get them, see what we got, and you guys can tell me what you think. All right, guys, so this is the Cobra exhaust I picked up. I got a smoking deal on this, and on top of that, we were able to get an 03 Terminator wing for our 99 Coyote Swapped Cobra. I'm really excited to try these out, but when I got them here, I was like, man, these things look really clean for OEM exhaust. Usually OEM exhaust, I see a little more rust, and these look a lot cleaner. And so then I posted a picture, I posted a picture and I posted a video of these things, me picking them up. I posted them on a couple of the Cobra pages and I was like, hey, is this OEM? Like, these look pretty good to me, and they didn't quite look stock to me for some reason. And then everyone's telling me that they believe these are Mack flow path mufflers. I'm hearing a lot of people say these are Mack mufflers. So get a good look at them. Tell me what you guys think. I don't think I see Mack inscribed anywhere on the front or the back. I'm not seeing it. Maybe they didn't all come inscribed, I don't know. But you guys tell me what you think. Like, what are these? I'm very interested to try these on the Cobra, and if they sound good, we're gonna run these if they sound really good. But if they're not loud enough, we have Flowmaster Super 10s that are single chamber straight throughs that'll fit perfectly right here anyway. So this is plan A, but we have a plan B in case these don't work. But again, guys, take a quick look at these things. Look at the weld marks here and stuff like that, and let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that's not it, guys. So these things also have some really nice tips. And as you can see, they're pretty tarnished and there's a good amount of rust on them. But I took some of this Colonel Brassy stuff, and I'm not sponsored by them at all, guys, but I'll put a link to this stuff down below. And I spent like 3 minutes. Somebody's got something outside. I spent about 3 minutes on this tip, and I was able to get off a lot of the rust in the little test spot that I did. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit here and we're gonna clean these things. Let's just see what they look like and see what we can get out of them. So we're gonna take some of this Colonel Brassy, and this is pretty corroded, so I'm gonna shake it up real quick, make sure it's been sitting for a minute. And this is really good stuff. And I'm just gonna apply it directly to this thing because it needs some love. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, look at these rust spots. Max, get closer. Apply it directly to the rust. Watch this. Like, it's just disappearing. That's crazy. Now some of this road grime on top, I don't know if this is gonna come off, but in general, man, these things are cleaning up a lot. There's some rust spots down here on the side. Let's see if we can show you. Again, let's put some more Colonel Brassy on. Probably should be wearing gloves. That's all right. Guys, it's not perfect, but man, it is infinitely better than it was. Oh yeah, that's like way better. Like, come here, let me see. Check this out. This is the before. That's what it looks like. And here's the after.
Like night and day difference, guys. These things are just disgusting and filthy, and it removes a good chunk of the rust. Now the deep gouges, I haven't been able to get everything out, but we're gonna spend some more time on it here in a second. All right, got this on my lap now. Oop. Let's go ahead and see if we can get some more of this stuff on here. Oh, it is actually taking this grime off too. If I spend time on it and I concentrate, it'll get it off. It's just taking a minute. You guys look at that tip real quick. You can see it's got burnt ends all around the edges. Just soot build up and stuff. Let's see if we can get that off. Oh yeah, it is coming right off. I was missing this thing. This ass is scratching us up pretty good here. I wonder if a better way would be, it's all rust. Would be a degreaser maybe? I don't think it's grease though. I think it is rust marks. Just road grime. Alright, so these things are pretty disgusting. Like the first pass through, you know, they got all that carbon buildup. This stuff on top that's caked on there, it's like a mixture of rust and road grime, and it's just tearing up my cloth over here. But if you look at this thing, definitely far from perfect. It has still got some problems, and some of these spots, like I can hit it real quick and the rust actually comes right off. I'm just trying not to tear the car up anymore. So I'm going to be able to get these things done more. I just kind of did a quick job, and it is infinitely better than it was. But yeah, I mean, again guys, it's a project. This is a budget exhaust, and these tailpipes are going to do the job for sure, and they'll look nice out the back. You shouldn't be seeing too much of the rust at all. All the spots that are rusted will be, for the most part, clean. And we'll spend a little more time here on this top section, see what we can do to get this off. Like, I don't know what the heck that is, but the car will look good and it's gonna sound good, guys. All right, guys, so we were gonna pull out the Cobra today, and we were gonna get it all lifted up and get a brand new catback exhaust installed, but Mother Nature had other plans. Wow, this never happens in North Carolina. Check this out. So what we're gonna do instead is I'm just gonna enjoy this snow with my boys, and we'll just come back to you guys with another video with the catback install. We'll see what it sounds like on this car, and you guys tell me down below. Let me know if you think those are Mack flow paths or just OEM exhaust. I don't know, but I've been hearing a lot from people that it's Mack. I'm very curious what you think. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time with more Mustang Cobra content. We'll do a video on how much you guys think this thing cost, and we'll do a breakdown of how we got here. All right, but until then, see you next time.